Hello everyone, let's look at two companies with strong growth stories, Enviro Infra Engineers and Insecticides India. First company, Enviro Infra Engineers. This company is engaged in the design, construction and operation of water and wastewater treatment plants and water supply projects for government agencies. They just reported their strongest ever quarterly performance with Q4 FY25 revenue rising 31% nearly year on year to 393 crore rupees. EBITDA grew 16% to 99 crore rupees, while the net profit jumped 30% to 74 crore rupees. If we talk about the full year, revenue surged 46% to 1066 crore rupees. Now the question arises, what is driving this momentum? The company secured new orders worth rupees 126 crore from Amritsar and Odisha and is now targeting larger projects, scaling from 50 MLD to 200 MLD for sewage treatment and from 20 MLD to 500 MLD for effluent treatment to qualify for the high value contracts. And this strategy is expected to support the margin expansion and fuel 35 to 40% of annual revenue growth over the next 4 to 5 years. Plus, they are entering green energy with a new solar power subsidiary and plans for the renewable energy and green hydrogen. They have bid for 3,000 to 4,000 crore rupees worth of projects and expect to win around 2,000 crore rupees in new orders soon. Now coming to the next company, Insecticides India Limited. This company is a player in agrochemical, biologicals and household products. FY25 revenue was 1999 crore rupees, up by 2%, and the real story is that its EBITDA jumped 36% to 221 crore rupees and profit grew 29% to 142 crore rupees. EBITDA margins improved from 8.3% to 11.1%, which is mainly driven by 11 new product launches and smart cost management. Company is targeting premium product to make up 65% of sales within 1 to 2 years. Export growth is picking up in Latin America and Southeast Asia. For FY26, they are launching 6 plus new products, including the Milstim, which is a seaweed-based plant product that could bring 50 to 70 crore rupees over 5 years and targeting 30 to 35% of gross margins and 12 to 13% of EBITDA margins, plus 20% annual growth in their premium segment. So here is your choice. Enviro Infra scaling in water treatment with green energy expansion, or Insecticides India providing margins with premium product mix. Which growth strategy appeals to you? Let us know in the comments and follow for more updates.